Job number 2, Husqvarna. It's got dual blades on it. They already sharpened. Like again, I forgot to get a video of sharpening them. But now here, you can see there's a pile over there, a bunch underneath here, and a pile there. All from underneath. Debris getting cleaned. Looking good. You see it's all flaky, but it was crammed so tight in here. All over the ground, big pile back there. Scrape some more of it out. So the top is clean as well, around all of the pulleys. Everything is blown out with the air compressor. There's a pile, and there's a pile. All scraped as clean as we're gonna get her.